It's been a wonderful journey the last 55 years. Now when I look back, everybody taught me some lesson.
I feel proud that I taught alphabets of psychiatry to this man who has now become a leading light of the profession.
At that point in time, my thought was that this is one person who's going to go places. Because a person who can come out telling people about himself, almost marketing himself, has to be someone who can do something.
One fine day, by chance, some work I had, some other patient was admitted. I entered Masina Hospital and I met a physician whom I used to refer to, never met him earlier. I introduced myself, so he was very happy to meet me. Then when I told him that I've done my psychiatry now and I'm in the field, he was very happy. Arey Yusuf, we require a psychiatrist over here because our psychiatrist has gone off to UK. So are you willing to join? I said immediately. And when I saw this place, with its greenery and lots of freshness, lots of space and lots of old time charm, this is the time when I realized that if at all a psychiatric setup should be there, it should be this hospital.
Psychiatry was a dubbed thing in Masina. Only after Dr. Machiswala came into the picture, psychiatry slowly evolved.
It was a baby in psychiatry, and it is the sir's efforts that 24/7 with dedication, with passion, he is passionate about psychiatry.
You see, the facilities at Masina Hospital are almost exclusive in Mumbai. Now, I don't know of any other place which has got same kind of facilities as Masina Hospital has for treating a psychiatric patient or a drug addict or a rehabilitating patient. He has got assistant doctors working with him, resident doctors working with him, round the clock they work. He has got a complete counseling center which has got all sorts of therapists. So the holistic psychiatric treatment is done only at one place, which is over here.
They have a proper psychiatry ward. They have a separate ward for males and females. They have special rooms, right? They have rehabilitation center for alcohol and de-addiction and psychiatric patients. They have clinical psychologists. They have occupational therapists. They have counselors.
We have got the best of team over here, right? Starting from our Aya boys, ward boys, psychiatrically trained nurses, our resident doctors, our counseling team. We have the best of psychologists.
And at the top of that, icing on the cake, they have a psychiatric ambulance.
Our forte is we are able to handle the most complex and most complicated psychiatric patient that nowhere else anybody could handle. We have ECT facility, we have TMS, transcranial magnetic stimulation facility, we have TCDS, that is called transcranial direct stimulation machine is also there with us.
So he said, sir, we will have to give him ECT. I said, what is that, doc? He said, electroconvulsive therapy we have to do. I said, शॉक देने पड़ेंगे. I was, hesitant. खाली उन्होंने एक ही चीज़ बोली कि आप मेरी कंसल्टेंसी रूम से बाहर एक पूरा आर्टिकल है वो पढ़ो एंड देन यू टेक ए कॉल. मैं आया, बैठा, ठंडे दिमाग से इत्मीनान से वो पूरा आर्टिकल पढ़ा, वापस अंदर गया, साइन कर लिया.
It is a very human treatment. It is just simply put over there and removed. 5/6 of a second, less than a second, is the exposure to the current. The current is not only the high voltage currents, it is a milder current. But what it does is, it induces a convulsion in the brain. The brain is a muscle, so it convulses. Then it comes to rest. And neurochemistry in the brain starts getting reorganized, rearranged, and comes to desirable levels at that time.
Now the RTMS, repeat transcranial magnetic stimulation machine, which is first of its kind in Mumbai and second in India, which is very helpful to the patient.
It is proven to be a very safe treatment and doing wonderful results in many cases of depression, few cases of schizophrenia, and lots of cases of dementia and organic brain damage.
The latest state-of-art technology is the EEG, video EEG for sleep. It's a portable also. We can go at home as well in the ward also we can do this.
I cannot imagine currently a place like Bombay without Masina and its psychiatric thing. We would really have major issues. And I'm not saying that because Yusuf is my friend. I'm saying that because I really believe it.
So you will find families are actually, dying to come and meet him. They love to meet him because they know that they will get solutions to problems when they speak with Dr. Machiswala.
Most of us have seen that he has gone down, the clinic is closed at 2:45, and somebody is called up that, sir, it's emergency and I need to come and I'm here. Okay, come, don't worry. And we have to say, sir, now we should cut down kind of, raat ko 2 baj jate kind of.
The success rates I've seen with his, the cases that come to him are amazing. In fact, who come to this hospital actually.
I would say that he has always been very mature in his approach and has dealt with most difficult recalcitrant patients, not only from medical point of view, but from social point of view.
In fact, I always say, difficult cases, uncooperative cases, Yusuf hai na. It is like any kuch bhi daag ho, surf excel hai na.
Very often we've told him, I think you're in a manic state of manic depressive psychosis because you're only excited. We get tired, we get exhausted. And he's raring and running and saying tomorrow this and day after this and we'll start this and we'll start that. And he does it. And he does it on a huge scale.
I want to have a Masina Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience, NIMHANS, that's what it would be called, where right from preventive to curative, right from womb to tomb, right from the basic learnings, like training the the community workers to training the best of psychiatrists, everything would be there. So that is my dream, and I hope that in my next whatever years that I have in my practice, I wish that I am able to fulfill or achieve, and I hope Almighty, because I always pray, I want this setup to come up, because that is the requirement of Mumbai city.